In an exciting development for car enthusiasts, Nissan has announced the return of its high-performance Nismo division to Europe with a special version of its Ariya electric SUV. This move signals Nissan's commitment to injecting more excitement and performance into its European lineup, which has been perceived as somewhat mundane with its focus on crossovers and vans. The Ariya Nismo is set to shake things up with its aggressive styling and improved performance features. Although specific details about the European version remain under wraps, the model is expected to build on the foundations of the Japanese variant introduced earlier this year. The Japanese Ariya Nismo offers two powertrains, one with a 66 kWh battery pack producing 362 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque, and a more powerful version with a 91 kWh battery delivering 429 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque. These configurations promise to deliver an exhilarating driving experience, combining speed with the efficiency of electric power. Aesthetic enhancements play a crucial role in the Nismo transformation. The Ariya Nismo features a more aggressive exterior with finely tuned aerodynamic components designed to enhance performance and stability at high speeds. Inside, the vehicle boasts a sporty black interior accented with vibrant red elements, reflecting its racing pedigree. Nismo-specific seats, inspired by Formula E cars, are included to provide maximum support and comfort during spirited driving. Nissan has also highlighted the presence of finely tuned brake pads and an enhanced E/4ORCE system, aimed at improving power and torque distribution to the wheels. These adjustments are expected to significantly boost the vehicle's handling and performance, making it a true Nismo product. In addition to performance and design upgrades, the Ariya Nismo is expected to feature advanced technology to enhance the driving experience. This includes an updated infotainment system, seamless connectivity options, and a suite of driver assistance systems. These technologies not only provide convenience but also ensure safety and a high level of driver engagement. Nissan's decision to bring the Nismo brand back to Europe with the Ariya EV underscores a strategic shift towards electrification and performance. This move aligns with the growing market demand for high-performance electric vehicles and reflects Nissan's broader strategy to enhance its lineup with more exciting and dynamic models. Moreover, the introduction of the Ariya Nismo in Europe is part of a larger plan to expand Nismo's presence globally. The brand's return is not just about offering a new model but also about reinvigorating Nissan's performance image in key markets. Nismo fans and automotive enthusiasts eagerly await further details about the European spec Ariya Nismo, which are expected to be revealed later this year. Additionally, Nissan has teased the introduction of another new Nismo model on July 18 in Japan, speculated to be a high-performance hatchback, possibly an updated Note or a Nismo. This anticipated reveal will further expand the Nismo lineup and demonstrate Nissan's commitment to delivering performance-oriented electric vehicles. In conclusion, the return of Nismo to Europe with the hot Ariya EV marks an exciting chapter for Nissan. It blends the thrill of high-performance driving with the efficiency of electric power, promising a unique offering in the European market. As Nissan continues to innovate and expand its electric vehicle lineup, the Ariya Nismo stands as a testament to the brand's ability to combine heritage with cutting-edge technology.